Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Vantamo wallet. This is RFID blocking, aircraft grade aluminum. This thing is by far the best wallet I've ever tried, and I'll tell you the reasons right now. This thing can hold 8 to 12 cards. It even has an ID slot right here. This thing can hold up to 15 bills. I always carry around lots of bills, so it has a very nice clip for that right there. Look at all these different slots for cards. You got a card slot right here, a couple card slots right there. You got an ID card see-through slot right there. And here is the kicker. You basically just pull this thing down like that, and it reveals all your cards. You can easily pull out a card and use it, and then you simply go like this. Boom, the cards are back in there. Again, you simply slide down. All your cards pop up. There are no spring mechanisms that can break and cause you to have to get another wallet. So their motto is stop replacing, start lasting. It really does check out. This thing is very high quality. It's going to be the last wallet I ever need. I really like how it's just a simple swipe down design to go ahead and reveal your cards, and also weighs next to nothing. Super thin, fit it inside your pockets, and just bring this wherever you go. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.